came to check on my garden, and a lot of things are yellow. I usually wait until the first of the month. Today is well, I guess it is about to be the first to feed everything. So probably this weekend. I don't know if it's going to be this weekend because we're actually moving. So I'm gonna have to see. I'm gonna have to see because a lot of things, I don't know what this is. I think it's a marigold, but a lot of things are, I don't know if I should. A lot of things are yellow. The leaves are yellow on a lot of things. So I'm thinking a lot of things are missing nitrogen. Also, the weather is crazy. It's still cold. It's like 60 degrees here in South Carolina at the end of May, which is totally insane. Oh my goodness, look at that big old zucchini. That thing is big. Can you guys see it? That thing is huge. Awesome. Oh, I wanted to show you. Look at this. You guys see that? What happened to that squash? I'm about to pull it off, but I'm like, why did it die? Why did it die and it's not even big? Like, I don't know, but I'm about to grab a glove and take it off. Let's see what else is going on in the garden. Cucumbers. There's another cucumber plant over. I think this is a cucumber plant. Oh, sorry. This is a cucumber plant, and these two. Oh, hey, there's a little cucumber right there. Ha! That thing is skinny. I don't know what type of cucumbers they are. I don't remember. Do not remember. Cucumbers take forever to grow. But yeah, a lot of things need nitrogen. I wanted to look at my carrot, my one carrot. Oh, the leaves are so long on it. I'm not gonna pick that anytime soon. Onions and what else is back there? My onions and tomatoes are back there. I also bought some more cucumber plants, so I have cucumber plants back there as well. My pepper plants are on the struggle bus, y'all. Look at this. Look, just two little peppers, and like, oh, you know, this one looks good. That one is looking better, but again, it has those yellow leaves, making me think a lot of things need nitrogen. Oh, and my lettuce. I haven't picked any lettuce, so in a while. I haven't picked any lettuce in a while, so probably need to pick all of it before it starts to taste nasty. Especially since it's supposed to warm up here in South Carolina starting next week. I'm trying to I want to walk over there, but it's been raining and I don't want to step in the rain because I don't have on my rain boots. I mean, I don't want to step in the puddles because I don't have on my rain boots. Yeah. Huh. This plant, I don't think squash need a cage. Like, they hold up pretty well on their own. And I see that one squash leaning up against or rubbing up against the tomato cage. And yeah, all right. Yeah, I guess that's all I have to show you guys. Just short. I had to get something recorded because, again, we are getting ready to move this weekend. And oh, you know what? I'm just talking. I want to show you guys my tomatoes. Look at those. I have a ton of tomatoes coming in. I forget the name of them. Let me look. They're called Sweet 100 Cherry tomatoes. I have a lot of those coming in. I don't know what I was thinking getting those ones, but as you can see, they are extremely tall. They grow extremely tall. So we'll see what we get from those. Okra. I don't know how long it takes okra to grow. I don't know if it grows when it's too hot. I don't know anything about okra because I don't like it. I'm only growing it just for the heck of it and to give it away. But yeah, that is what everything is looking like so far, or looking like today. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.